Ding, 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 the ice cream truck is here. Listen, Brat, if you don't behave yourself, I'm never gonna give you any more ice cream.
Today, I'm gonna show you how you can have six-pack abs year-round eating this homemade, guilt-free ice cream that I eat every single day.
Ooh, yummy.
Grammy, thank you for that intro. She's the only one who thinks any of my videos are good. This recipe has no dairy, way less fat than regular ice cream, and no added sugar. So the first thing you need is a ripe banana. Make sure it's ripe for the sweetness. You're gonna wanna chop it up in bite-sized chunks and freeze it overnight. Add the frozen banana chunks to a food processor. You can also use a blender, but a food processor gives it more of a soft serve ice cream texture. Next, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of PB2 powder. PB2 has 90% less fat than regular peanut butter, but it tastes exactly the same. Then you're gonna add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Make sure you like the taste of the protein powder because that's gonna make a big difference. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. So now you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk to start the blend. So halfway through, you're gonna have to stop and scrape the sides because it builds up, and possibly add a little bit more almond milk just so it blends a little bit better. And then just keep going until you have a creamy ice cream texture.
Here comes the ice cream truck.
Creamy, soft serve peanut butter ice cream. You can enjoy it right away, or you can put it in the freezer and then have it like frozen ice cream. Look at that. It's just like soft serve ice cream. If you want more recipes like this and a blueprint on how I lost 42 pounds by changing my nutrition, go to travisdoodles.com and I'll see you in the next video.
I never thought I'd turn into a movie star.
Ice cream.